Thought I'd let you have a sneak preview of how the front is starting to look. Kason, put your ear protectors on. Put your ear protectors on. Grandad's got them. Grandad's got them. Protect your ears, because we're going to make a lot of noise in a minute. Yeah, health and safety. Even a 3-year-old knows health and safety. Mind you, better zip this up as it'll be full of dust. Oh. Everything goes in the wash after the work's been done. The amount of dust, it's unreal. Even wearing the mask, it's still comes through a bit. So we're lucky with the weather today. You're just in time. Come here. Look. We've got everybody watching us on YouTube. Look. There's Casey with his health and safety ear protectors. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Right, you go. I go. He's happy. He's full of beans. He's just had his lunch, so we stopped for lunch. Oh, like I said, we're having cabbage rasher. Fried cabbage and rasher for tea. Right, where's the...
Is it the same one? Has it got a name? Has it got a name?
Here we go again. Now, I'm getting there. We've got a bowl of cement on the wall as well as this, the old lime mix. I don't think it's been done fully since the house was built over 250 years ago. People have patched up and then filled in holes and then they rendered the whole thing. So it's never been, I presume anyway. Tighten all this up. Right, now I'm ready. As you can see, I'm just chiseling out the loose bits that are there, just to clean out a little bit more before a backfill. We're just waiting for the sand and the lime to be delivered today. Also, it wasn't that difficult to chisel out. I found it so much easier with that chisel on the air compressor. Absolutely fantastic. I would recommend it to anybody. It just helped me so much. You have to wait for the pressure to build up in the air compressor at times, but other than that, absolutely brilliant. I cleaned all the stone fronts as well with it, because there was a lot of cement on the stone fronts, so that took me a lot longer. So that's why there's been so much time spent on this wall just chiseling it out. So it was about say about 4 to 5 days work chiseling it, cleaning the stone out and taking out anything that was in there. So it wasn't too bad considering it's not been done for 280 years. Cason's a great help. He's collecting small pieces of sandstone for me and popping it in the bucket. So that helps with the backfill because you need plenty of small stone. You push in with your lime and your sand. Also, when you do come to do the backfill, you have to make sure it's quite wet inside, because obviously it's quite dusty, it's quite dry, and you need something for the lime render to bond to, basically. And I'm learning as I go along, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm so pleased. As you've seen the sneak preview I put up just before I started the programme, you can see it's looking good, and it's going to look better, especially when we get all the stonework done above where the top window is, and we're getting the new lintel put in. So we're just waiting on the windowsills now. Hi, we've got a helper.
This we're doing March.
Can you help me put it all together?
Have a bit yourself.
You're a good boy, aren't you? Yeah. You've been getting all this stone from me, the wall. Yeah, there's one more. Yeah. And stone. Okay, don't take do it. I don't want photo. You want it? Yourself. No. Look. Okay. I'll push on the screen for a minute. You sit on, I'll hold it. Are you on? Yeah. You ready? Yeah.
Hang on, wait. Yeah?
Yeah. Had to call Vincent over again. The chisel got a lot of dust inside it, so he's blown it out with the air gun. So I've learnt from that we have to keep, every now and then, blow out the chisel with the air gun to clean any dust. Hi all, we're expecting a delivery today. There's a truck coming with bags of sand. It's like a grit sand. Vincent will explain it. And lime for the wall. So I'm just hello. Yeah, found them. You found them. Okay. So yeah, so that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for the truck to come, so we've unlocked the double gate. Oh no, he won't hit you with his wheel. Let's go back and stay here. Come here, Kason. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Okay. There's a big truck. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah, go back and the wheels for truck. Now,
It's not wet, it's not raining.
Vincent's ordered me
Off now,
like a microphone
it's gonna rain.
so you can hear me speak, because when we were doing it I was realising you couldn't hear me speak. So that's the lime and sand, and we've got timbers there because all this area here is going to be concreted. This project took us quite a few years. That's what, 15 years it took us to do that, would you believe it? We just did it when we could afford it. So now we're doing the car park area. Oh, but I love my car. Ford Cougar. Great little car. Now, let's see what they're up to. I'm going to go in and make a cup of tea. Right, cup of tea time, boys. Yeah, let's see what they're doing. Cheese. Cup of tea time now. Come on then. Fried cabbage with Russia. Oh, it's to die for.